I finally was able to try IKEA's famous Swedish meatballs. Mixed ang reviews dito but after trying it, I think kaya ito popular because of its affordability. And the taste is okay naman for me. Late na namin napuntahan itong IKEA. Not too crowded anymore especially pag weekday. May mga perks pag member ka and free lang yung registration. Na-surprise kami kasi ang daming affordable food options dito sa IKEA. Natuwa kami dito sa soy-based ice cream nila. 10 pesos lang. Mas masarap pa rin yung dairy ice cream for me. But if bawal ka sa dairy, this is good enough. IKEA's cafeteria is so huge. Ang daming makain dito kaya if may kasama kang matagal mag-shopping, perfect to tambayan kasi maganda yung place and maraming food. May mga cakes na masarap isabay while having a cup of coffee. May mga salad, salmon with rice and salad wrap. Highly recommended to ng staff but we chose to try the famous Swedish meatballs. We got the 16 pieces which is 359 pesos a plate. May green peas na kasama, mashed potato, jam, and syempre, kailangan lumalangoy sa gravy. After trying it, okay yung lasa niya for me. Juicy and very flavorful. But of course, iba-iba tayo ng preference sa meatballs and may laban na rin yung mga home-cooked meatballs natin. But if malapit ako dito nag-work sa IKEA, madalas siguro ako dito kasi sobrang daming affordable food options. They have breads and pastries, meron ding turon, siomai, barbecue, hot dog, veggie dog, at surprisingly yung mga only drinks nila 50 pesos lang. Hindi ko pa ito natatry. Comment naman kayo sa baba kung masarap. Free kasi yung refillable coffee if you're a member, kaya ito yung trinay ko. Bobby order their chicken longganisa, masarap manamis na miss. Tapos nag-share kami dito sa 16 pieces meatballs. Sobra-sobra to para sa aming dalawa. Kayo ba, what are your IKEA favorites?